Thank you. Say happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to me.
Say, I'll be 2.
I'll be 2.
Can you sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star?
Twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are above, so high, like ow.
Where'd you put it? Why would you put it down your shirt?
Down there, shirt.
There. Like a diamond.
Like a diamond.
What's next? Can you sing your ABCs?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, B, Q, R, A, B,
Q, R, S.
Q, R, S, T, V,
Stop. W.
W, X, Y, Z.
Yay!
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, B, Q, R,
S.
S, T, V, W, X, Z.
You forgot Y. What else can you say? You want to sing Row, Row, Row Your Boat? No. You want to count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Gone.
Well, where'd you put it?
Huh?
Where'd you put it?
Huh?
You sleepy?
Gone.
Are you sleepy?
Gone.
No, it's not gone. It's somewhere down here, wherever you put. Here, found it.
Found it. I found it.
Yeah, I found it.
I found it.
Kira.
No one?
Huh?
No one?